In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the ICT Propulsion Block in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is visible on the screen, look toward the top of the interface, usually on the left-hand side for the Indicators button. This is your main gateway to all built-in tools, community scripts, and premium indicators. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see several tabs and a lot of options, which can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new. To keep things simple, focus on the search box at the top of that window. Click directly into the search box so your cursor is active there. This lets you quickly filter through everything TradingView offers without scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search field, start typing ICT Propulsion Block. As you type, TradingView will automatically narrow down the available indicators that match what you're entering. Make sure you spell it correctly and watch for the exact indicator name to appear in the results below. Once you see ICT Propulsion Block in the list, hover over it to confirm it's the one you want, then click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will add the indicator to your active chart. You should now see additional markings or overlays on your chart that represent the ICT Propulsion Block logic. Take a moment to zoom in and out or move the chart around so you can clearly see how it's being displayed. If you want to adjust the settings, you can usually do that by hovering over the indicator name at the top of the chart and clicking the settings icon. This is helpful if you want to customize colors, line styles, or other visual preferences to match the rest of your chart layout. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you'd like to unlock more advanced features, consider using the affiliate link provided in the video description. That link takes you directly to TradingView's Pro page, where you can sign up for the plan that fits you best. It's a convenient way to support the channel while getting access to professional tools that make indicators like the ICT Propulsion Block even more powerful in your day-to-day trading workflow.